Good morning to you. It is Election Day, November the 8th. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Pretty chilly start to the day. In fact, many of us down into the frost and freeze territory for those temperatures here as the day is beginning. I'll show you more on that coming up. That's a look from the Avalon Pier web camera this morning, where the temperature there is a pretty cool 48. Definitely a chilly start to the day. Let's take a look at the Dowd YMCA camera in Charlotte. Right there you go. The temperature during the 5 o'clock hour, 39 there. We do even have a couple of isolated Piedmont spots down below freezing this morning. So cold enough for some areas of frost, and certainly it is a cold start to the day overall. Temperatures yesterday for highs, 60s, and a lot of the Carolinas, it did make it up to the low 70s in Columbia. It was primarily mid 60s across the Triad viewing area, down around the Charlotte region. High temperatures yesterday afternoon, generally in the mid and upper 60s, and I think a few ticks warmer today, probably upper 60s and lower 70s on the way this afternoon. Radar quiet locally over the past couple of hours. You do have some rain in parts of the Great Lakes region, and then trailing along a cold front southward through parts of the plains, and even the lower Mississippi Valley seeing a little bit of rain. Not much, but a little bit. And now there has been a good bit of rain down around Louisiana over the past 24 hours, but much of the lower Mississippi Valley and the deep south, not a whole lot. There's your temperatures regionally this morning, chilly, but some warmer air getting drawn northward ahead of that cold front. Notice Milwaukee and Chicago in the 50s this morning, and then behind the front, here comes the next push of cooler air building southeastward. Now, again, the southeast is in absolutely desperate need of rain. Not the coastal Carolinas. Way too much rain with Matthew over that way, but the rest of the southeast really needs rain. It is a dire drought situation in Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Tennessee, and it's getting worse and worse in the western Carolinas. Let me give you a vivid illustration of this drought. This is a look at Lake Purdy. That is Birmingham, Alabama's primary source of water. That is amazing how low and really non-existent that lake is. It's just, again, a vivid illustration of how bad the drought is in parts of the southeast. And it's getting worse in the western Carolinas as the dry conditions continue to settle in. By the way, mentioning Birmingham, I believe it's now 51 days since measurable rain occurred. That is amazing. All right, so again, rain is needed, but a cold front moving in, unfortunately, is not going to bring much rain to the southeast once again. What else is new? In fact, check out the rain totals here on Futurecast. Not much. Not much at all. That'll be late tonight into tomorrow morning. So clouds increase late in the afternoon, and then I think any opportunity for a brief shower locally here in the Carolinas occurs late tonight and very, very early on our Wednesday morning. There's your highs this afternoon. As we get into the day tomorrow, that front will depart. Sunshine builds back in. A little bit cooler for your Wednesday. High temperatures in the low to mid 60s. And as we get on out to Thursday, much the same. I think a good deal of sunshine for Thursday. Thursday afternoon's highs, again, low to mid 60s across a lot of the region. And then on Friday, a little bit of a warm up ahead of our next system. And look at this big trough diving into the eastern part of the country over the upcoming weekend. So here's what we're going with for Saturday's high temperatures. And now keep in mind, this is with sunshine. And then low temperatures, pretty chilly on Sunday morning. In case you're wondering, by the way, the tropics are quiet. No sign of any trouble there across the Atlantic Basin. All right, a few of the detailed charts here. This is the European upper air chart for this afternoon. And then here comes that piece of energy driving that cold front through here tonight into tomorrow morning. And a reinforcing shot of colder air moving in over the weekend. Canadian ensembles. This is a good tool in the wintertime around here that I like to use. And these are deviations from normal in terms of the temperatures up at 5,000 feet. So this is Saturday's shot of cold air. And then all the way out at next Wednesday, this is another shot of chilly air. So for 204 hours, that's a pretty good indication of another pretty good shot of chilly air for the middle of next week. There's your brief shower chance late tonight into tomorrow morning off the GFS model. After that, there is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And there's your reinforcing shot of cold air over the weekend. This is what the raw numbers look like off the GFS for highs Saturday. That's a little too cool, but you get the idea. It's going to be a chilly day. And then there's low temperatures off the GFS on Sunday morning. Pretty cold stuff. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great day. Go out and vote, and God bless.